Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea using a kettle. First, fill your kettle with fresh, cold water. For each cup of tea, aim for about 250 milliliters of water. Then, place your kettle securely on its heating element or directly onto your stovetop. This simple first step ensures a clean and flavorful brew, setting the foundation for a delightful cup of tea. Next, bring that water to a vigorous, rolling boil. As the kettle heats up, take a moment to choose your preferred tea. Whether it's a convenient tea bag or fragrant loose leaf, prepare your mug. Place 1 tea bag or about 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea directly into your cup, ready for the hot water. This preparation ensures everything is set for optimal flavor extraction. Once the water is boiling, carefully pour it over the tea in your mug. Now comes the steeping process, which is crucial for flavor. Let your tea steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This duration allows the tea leaves to release their full aroma and taste. Remember, you can always adjust this time slightly to achieve your perfect desired strength and flavor profile. Finally, remove the tea bag or strain your loose leaf tea to prevent oversteeping. Now, it's time to personalize your drink. Feel free to add milk, sugar, a touch of honey, or a slice of lemon, according to your preference. Give it a gentle stir, and there you have it, a perfectly brewed, warm, and comforting cup of tea, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.